Okay, for this chapter, tessellations, is first and foremost, you might have to know what is a tessellation. Okay, a tessellation is actually a repeated pattern, as you can see here. Okay, with one shape, no gaps, and no overlaps. So if let's say, an example is this picture here. Okay, as you can see, there's a repeated pattern of like birds here. So uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm not going to attempt to count it, but anyway, it's repeated pattern, right? With one shape. So this one shape is actually this bird here. So you can see you have this birdie shape thingy. Okay, with no gaps. Okay, there's no spaces in between. Okay, everything joins up nicely, and there are no overlaps. As you can see, the bird do not overlap each other. Okay, so one very common example. This picture is not very common. Okay, one very common example where you see where you can see it naturally, right? A natural tessellation is actually a beehive. Okay, sorry, not a beehive, but a honeycomb. Okay, this is called a honeycomb. Okay, where the bees live, and then you have this shape here like that. Okay, it's actually a honeycomb. So this honeycomb shape, okay, it's actually a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a hexagon. Okay, so this hexagon shape, okay, as you can see, is actually this is actually one shape by itself. Okay, a hexagon looks like that. So as you can see, it's a six-sided. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Oh, my drawing is not that fantastic, but I think you can get the point. Okay, so this is six-sided. So as you can see here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so this six-sided figure actually tessellates. Okay, you have one shape here with no gaps. Okay, so the next shape, as you can see, is actually does not form any gap. Okay, I can go all around it, and you can see there is no gap around. Let's say this is my main shape. Okay, let's say this is my main shape. Okay, there are no gaps at all. Okay, in between the shapes, there are no gaps. Okay, as you can see, around this shape there are no gaps at all, and there's no overlapping. Okay, as I go through more examples, you will I think you will get it. Okay, so in summary, it's actually tessellation is actually one shape with no gaps and no overlaps.